Hi. In this lecture, we will like to discuss about why do you need to change Wi-Fi adapter mode from manage to monitor. By default, the wireless adapter is in manage mode. And also remember that not all wireless adapters have monitor modes. So if you want to buy a wireless adapter that has monitor mode, you have to check if it will allow you to change the mode. Now, so why are we going to change it? Wi-Fi adapters operate in different modes. As I said earlier, there are two modes, manage and monitor. Sa monitor mode, it is a special mode used for network monitoring, usually sa mga network engineers, and for packet capturing. In manage mode, the Wi-Fi adapter connects to an access point and it communicates only with the access point. So dili siya mo communicate to the other access points but only to the access point nga it is connected to, and can only exchange data for its own device. Doesn't capture traffic from other devices on the network, as I've said. While in monitor mode, the Wi-Fi adapter captures all the packets on a wireless channel, monitors traffic from all devices, not just its own. So, kanang sa inyo mga silingan, as long as their routers are on, pwede na siya ma-appeal og monitor. It captures management and control frames like beacons, probe requests. So why change to monitor mode? Switching to monitor mode is important for first, network troubleshooting, analyzing traffic, wireless penetration testing for assessment security, then packet sniffing, capture the raw network traffic. So, diri na mosulod ang mga hackers. Actually, this is used for the purpose of checking your network, but the hackers are using it for other purposes. In conclusion, monitor mode is crucial for security professionals and network analysts. It allows in-depth network monitoring and packet analysis beyond what is possible in managed mode. But then again, uh, a useful tool is being used by hackers to penetrate your network. So, mauna nga, you should know or you should be aware unsay pwedeng buhaton sa mga hackers sa mga tools like this one. Now, I will teach you how to change the mode from manage to monitor. First, you will check your wireless adapter kung unsay iyahang mode. To do that, you can go to your terminal, you type iwconfig. So as you can see, you have the 80, then you have the WLAN 0. So you can see, muna siya ang imuhang wireless LAN and it is mode managed. To change that, you have to put, by the way, ang process nga ako i-share karon is not the only process. Naapoy uban steps, but kaning process nga ako i-share karon is the one that works for me. So, siguro, tungod sa wireless adapter nga gagamit. So, you can also see on YouTube videos na they are using other commands. Okay. So, again, going back, first, ang ato buhaton is we will put the WLAN 0 down. To do that, you will have this command sudo ifconfig down. So, okay. Now, to see if na-down yun, you can use the command IPA. Then, look for WLAN 0 and you see down siya. Status niya down. Now, while down, pwede nimo ma-change ang iyahang mode. To do that, sudo iwconfig WLAN 0 mode monitor. Press enter. Sometimes it takes a while. By the way, sometimes naay chance nga ang imuhang process dili mo work, na usahay mo work. You have to be patient lang. You can restart your computer and then do it again. Kay sometimes ang hardware nagyud siya mga problema. Okay, we'll wait lang mahuman ang pag-change. Okay. Now, pagkahuman na nga ma-change siya, you will put the WLAN 0 app. To do that, you have sudo ifconfig WLAN 0 app. To know nga na-up gid siya, you can do again the IPA. As you can see, WLAN 0, dili na siya down. Now, to check if na-change ba nato to monitor mode, you can have the iwconfig. Press enter. So, as you can see, WLAN 0 is now in monitor mode. So, karon kung monitor mode na siya, pwede na siya magamit nimo to check the traffic sa imong network and other networks. That will be for another lecture. Thank you.